Hi guys, and welcome to this affiliate marketing tutorial for JVzoo. This video I'm going to explain everything, how it works, if it is a good program, and what you have to do to earn some commissions on JVzoo. So what exactly is JVzoo? So it's basically an affiliate marketing platform, just like Warrior Plus or ClickBank. You can earn money as an affiliate by promoting products from other people. So you want to sign up for an account here as an affiliate. So make sure you select affiliate and not a seller, because we want to go ahead and promote products from the sellers and we get a commission in return. So what you have to do first, once you created your account, you'll be in a page like this, and this is your dashboard. So here we have the normal dashboard. It looks like this. Here you can see your visitors, your sales, your revenue, and all that stuff. Also from yesterday, and also the sales per country. So as you can see from me, yeah, it's pretty empty. Because this is just a demo account, but you want to go to affiliate here, and here we can find some information about what you can do here. We can go to affiliate dashboard, and here you can see all the specific, all the detailed information about your products. So here you can see all the products and the clicks, visitors, sales, conversions, dollar per visitors, dollars per sale, and everything like that. However, how to find the right products? For that, you can go to products and marketplace. So this is the marketplace where we can find all the products on JVzoo that we can promote. So we have some here. So Video Tours 360 Ultimate Edition, Epimise, and basically all of these products are software or online courses. So they are very easy to convert, and you get a very high commission. As you can see, for this one you get almost $70, almost $50, $40, almost $80, almost $100, and almost 2,000 sold, more than 400. So you get the point, and this is how it works here. If we go to the categories, you can see that it's mainly going about e-commerce, business, health, fitness, self-improvement, and software. And software is their focus. We can go ahead and hit software and see what kind of products they have that we can promote. So here we have Video Tour 360. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to help people to create viral videos, you can promote this product. You get $50 for this, and that's a very high commission. We can go to see full review here, and then you can view how this looks. So Video Tour 360 sold by JVzoo. You can also see the vendor here, and this is how it looks. So this is the funnel, how it looks, answer questions, blah blah blah. So this is how you can view the funnel that they use. And if you think this looks good, it's a good product, you can get instant access here, because you first have to get access to sell their products. You're not going to get approved immediately. You first need permission. We can hit get instant access here. So this will bring us to the funnel here. So this is actually the website, and this is how the website looks. This is the funnel if people want to buy it. So this is just how you can see it in the URL. As you can see here, if we are on this website, it looks good, and the URL is videotours360/8154021. And in this case, that is your unique link. So you can promote this link, and if they use this like 815 blah blah blah, you get the commission. So it really depends on the affiliate itself, and for you this number will be different, but every time someone buys it through your specific link, you get paid. So that's a really cool thing, and that's called affiliate marketing. It's really cool. I'm doing it myself as well, and that's basically what JVzoo is all about. So as I said, e-commerce, business, health, business. If you have one of these niches for a YouTube channel, websites, social media pages, this JVzoo website for affiliate marketing is a great option. If we go back to the dashboard here, we can go to the top sellers. We can go over here to top sellers, also launch list, and here we can find some more information about the best products and how you can find the right product for you. So here we can view them on a rank today. For right now, it is Agency Reel 2.0 exclusive bundle. If we go to this, we can have a look, and this is what the funnel is about. It's about viral video content. Let's have a look. So yeah, how cool does this look? This is software to create videos, and I think this is a very high converting funnel. And the nice thing about this, you don't have to do the work. The only thing you have to do is promote it. So they already made the website, they made the funnel, the payments, everything. So that's what I really like about affiliate marketing. You don't have to deal with customer service, with payment processors. You just get paid every month, every week, if you promote their products, and the commissions are crazy high. I don't know if this one is very high. We can have a look. Just here, affiliate info. So here we get, 300. 50% commission, that's a lot. And the nice thing is you don't have to do anything else except for the promotion. And that's what I really like about affiliate marketing, and that's the power of affiliate marketing. If you're good at marketing, just marketing products, selling things, this is a really good option. You don't have to deal with anything, only promoting the products. But if we just go back, JVzoo, is it a good option to do affiliate marketing with? I think it is. It has a lot of unique products. Well, not as much as ClickBank, but I think the quality of JVzoo products are really, really high. Like if everyone is promoting this offer, then you can promote the other, which can be good as well. And because JVzoo isn't used that much, I think you can really stand out by promoting a unique product and in the end making more money. So that's why I really like to diversify my affiliate marketing programs, JVzoo, Warrior Plus, CG Affiliate. I really think that these programs are the future, and that just small, not really high quality offers are not going to make it. But on JVzoo, I think they are, because I've never seen a really bad offer on here. So you're basically guaranteed here that all the offers on here are decent, are pretty high quality. Of course, there can be exceptions, but that's just my opinion. So I'm not leaving any affiliate link in the description. The only thing I'm asking for you is to leave a like on this video if this helped you out, or to subscribe. And yeah, have a good day. See you next time.
Bye.